Hi, I'm Prakyat, an HMS developer from Huawei India Research Center. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to explain about MLKit and show its integration steps. If you want to watch the previous videos on MLKit, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce skeleton detection service of Huawei MLKit. The skeleton detection service detects and locates key points of the human body, such as the top of the head, neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, and ankles. It can detect single person or multiple persons from full body or half body images or camera streams. During yoga practice, it can also compare our yoga posture with yoga templates and calculate the similarity. Now, let us get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Go to console, app gallery connect, open my apps. Click on new app, enter the relevant information. Select Add to project and click OK to create a project. Go to my projects, select manually enter the package name, enter the package name and save. Set the default data processing location. Add the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application. Then download agconnectservices.json file. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven repositories under build scripts and all projects section. Also add the class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the latest version of MLKit skeleton detection libraries under the dependencies section. Open the Android manifest file and add the required permission. Create a layout for live detection. Add lens engine preview and extended class from view group. Create a layout for static detection. Add image view and buttons. Open the main activity. Request for permissions. Set the click listeners. Open the live detection activity. Create an array and add coordinates of joins for a yoga template image. Initialize the joint list. Prepare the ML skeleton object and add it to template list. Create ML skeleton analyzer setting object and set the attribute. Get the ML skeleton analyzer object, set the ML transactor. Create a lens engine object and set the parameters. On resume of the activity, start the preview screen. In ML transactor, get the result in the callback. Get the list of ML skeleton objects. Use the graphics package and draw paths and circles. Also, calculate the similarity of detected posture with yoga template and display it. Open the static detection activity. Set the click listeners. Create ML skeleton analyzer setting object and set the attribute. Get the ML skeleton analyzer object. Create an intent to pick image from gallery. Set it to image view. Get the bitmap. Get the ML frame object from bitmap. Call async analyze frame. On success callback, get the list of ML skeleton objects and use graphics package to draw paths and circles. Now, the coding is completed.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app, tap on static analysis. It will take you to the screen to detect skeleton from static image. We can detect the skeleton both in yoga mode as well as normal mode. Tap on live analysis. It will take you to the screen to detect skeleton from live camera stream. We can toggle on or off the yoga mode. The yoga mode detects the right posture for yoga. Here it's comparing our live posture with the yoga posture and showing its similarity. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit Huawei developer website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.